Another thing we can do under document setup is we can edit our artboards and just move these artboards closer together. And this is just, oops, and let's unlock these so that we could do that. We have to unlock that first. All right, so we could move these closer together just so that we can see them easier on screen so that they're closer together. Get out of Edit Artboard mode, you can click on the selection tool or hit V. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to save these as EPSs, EPS file. So let's go to File, Save As, choose EPS as the format. This allows us to save separate files using the artboards. So let's click on Use Artboards, and All is fine. And we want to save these in our project folder. Go to Save, hit OK. Let's go to our project folder. And I've got my three files here. If I double click on them, each one opens up in its own separate file. So I have Artboards 1, 2, and 3 as separate EPS files. So what I'd like you to do is just submit the EPS files. So this might mean that you might need to make a copy of this Milestone 2 folder. Go ahead and do that. And inside the copy, I'm going to delete everything except EPS 1, 2, and 3. Now EPSs are editable, which means I could open those in Illustrator and I could make changes to them. But the advantage of an EPS file is it allows somebody who is not using Illustrator or doesn't have Illustrator installed on their system to be able to open and view your file. Then what I can do is make my zip. And that's what you will submit to the assignment link in Blackboard. Now for showing these on in the discussion board, again, if you want to go to document setup, you can even move these closer together. And maybe the easiest way to get an image that you can paste into the discussion board or insert into the discussion board is to take a screenshot. So I'm going to go to Shift-Command-4 and just go to Select, and where's my screenshot? Here it is. And this is an image that you can insert into the discussion board.